Today we will begin with practice set 6.4 Simplify. Question number 1, Simplify. Here we will use the various expansion formulas that we have learned. Using those formulas we will simplify this sum. The first question, that is m square minus n square. You have learned the formula a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b. So we have m plus n into bracket m minus n. This will remain as it is. We are not going to simplify m plus n the whole square. This will also remain as it is. We are just going to leave it without simplification. Here we are going to again use the formula a cube minus b cube. Here m minus n into bracket m square plus mn plus n square. So here we are going to cancel few like terms. Here m minus n is a binomial, m minus n is another binomial. So this will get cancelled here. We have m plus m square plus mn, and these terms are same, so we are cancelling this. Here if you see, this is m plus n and this is m plus n the whole square. So I am writing m plus n 2 times because it was whole square. So this m plus n and this m plus n will get cancelled, and finally my answer is 1 plus 1 upon m plus n. Let us see how to factorize this next one. Here also we will use the formula a cube minus b cube. So we have 2x the whole cube. 27 is a cube of 3. So we have 3y the whole cube. This is a square minus b square. So we have 2x square minus 3y square. We will simplify this further using the formula a cube minus b cube. So we have 2x minus 3y into the bracket 2x square, which is 4x square, plus 2x into 3y plus 3y square, which is 9 square, upon a square minus b square. So we have 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y. Okay, so we will simplify this further. We get 2x minus 3y into bracket 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y. So this and this will get cancelled. So we have 4x plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y. Question number 5. Let us see how to simplify this. Here we need to find the factors of each algebraic expression. So the first one is 3x square minus x minus 2. When we factorize this, we find the product, we find the product of the first term and the last term, that is 3 2s are 6, which comes equal to minus 6 because it is minus 2. Minus 6, since the product is negative, we always subtract the factors. Product is negative, we find the product of 3 into minus 2, which is minus 6. Product is negative, so we find the difference of these two factors. And the difference of 3 2s is 1. 3 and 2, the difference is 1. So we just substitute the values. Okay, and when we further solve this, we get the factors as x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. The second algebraic expression, x square minus 7x plus 12. When we find the factors here the first term, the coefficient of first term is 1. So 1 into 12, it will be 12. The factors are 3 and 4. The factors are 3 and 4. Since the product is positive, the factors, that is 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. Since it is minus, the middle term is minus. So we put negative sign for both the factors. So we have minus 3 and minus 4, which we further simplify to get the factors as x minus 3, x minus 4. Then we'll see the another algebraic expression, 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Here 3 6 are 18. So we have 3 into minus 6, so we have minus 18. So the factors here will be, since the product is negative, as I told you, the factors are always subtracted. We find the difference of the factors. And the middle term here is 7. So the difference of 9 and 2 is 7. We put negative sign to the bigger number. Okay, the middle term is minus 7, so I am putting minus 9 here. So I get the factors as x minus 3 into bracket 3x plus 2. Now we will substitute all these factors in their respective places. So we have here 3x square minus x minus 2. The factors of this are x minus 1 into bracket 3x plus 2 upon, what are the factors of this algebraic expression? The factors here are x minus 3 and x minus 4. Now this is division sign, children. This is division. Okay, I'll take one more step here. I'll put division only. 3x square minus 7x will have the factors as x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. These are the factors. Now next is x square minus 4. This is a square minus b square, which is same as a plus b. So we have x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now this division, I am converting it into multiplication. You have already learned when this division becomes multiplication, we write the reciprocal of it. What do you mean by reciprocal? We make numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. So when we further simplify this, we get x minus 1 into bracket 3x plus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4 multiply. I am making denominator as numerator and I am substituting numerator as denominator. Division becomes multiplication and we just exchange their places. We write the reciprocal of the second term. Now we will see what all terms we can cancel. 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Here it is coming. Can we cancel this? X minus 4. We cannot cancel this, any of the terms here. So we get the answer as x minus 1 into bracket x plus 2 into x minus 2 upon x minus 3. We have 2 times, so we write square into x minus 4. Question number 7. Let us see how to simplify this. Here we have a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9, 25a square minus 1. Let us see how we are going to simplify this. Here if you see this algebraic expression, we can find the factors of this algebraic expression. When we solve this, we get this as 5 3s are 15. The product here we are getting as 15 plus 15. As you know, children, when the product is positive, we add the factors. So we have 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. But since 16 is negative, we put minus sign for both the factors here. Negative, minus 15 and minus 1, which is coming minus 16. So we simplify it further and we get the factors as a minus 3 into bracket 5a minus 1. Now let us see whether we can simplify this also. A square plus 3a plus 9. I'll just try solving. A square plus 3a plus 9. 9. Here the product is 9. Coefficient of first term is 1. 1 into 9. What are the factors of 9? 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. But you want the middle term as 3. And as I told you, when the product is positive, we add it. So 3 plus 3, it will be 6. 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So we cannot factorize this. We cannot factorize such algebraic expression. So we will just leave it as it is and we will see how we can simplify this. The first one is a cube minus 27, which is written as a cube minus b cube. So here we will write a cube. 27 is a cube of 3. So I write 3 cube upon what is the factors of this expression? We have a minus 3 into bracket 5a minus 1 division, we put divide by. We cannot factorize this further, so we just write it as it is. This can be simplified as again a square minus b square. 25 is a square of 5, so we have 5a the whole square minus 1 square. Now this has become a cube minus b cube. You know the formula, a minus b, which is a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 3 square, which is 9, upon a minus 3 into 5a minus 1 divide by a square plus 3a plus 9 upon this becomes a square minus b square, which is same as a minus b and a plus b. Right? Now this division I am going to convert into multiplication. When division becomes multiplication, we write the reciprocal of the second terms, the next term. So here I am converting this into multiplication and we write reciprocal. This will go in the numerator and this numerator will come in the denominator. So we have 5a plus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9. Okay, so we will cancel the terms which are same here. A minus 3 will get cancelled. 5a minus 1 and 5a minus 1 will get cancelled. And finally we have 5a plus 1 as the answer. Question number 8. 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Now here we will first simplify this. If we see this clearly, 1 minus 2x plus x square, this is an expansion of 1 minus x the whole square. Let us verify this. You know 1 minus a minus b the whole square formula, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is, and this is same. So this is an expansion of 1 minus x the whole square. So instead of writing this, I am writing as 1 minus x the whole square. This I am substituting as a cube minus b cube into 1 plus x square. We are not going to do anything with this. No simplification for both the things here. Here you will get this as 1 minus x the whole square. This we will use the formula a cube minus b cube. By now everyone knows. 1 minus x into bracket 1 square, which is 1, plus 1 into x, which is x, plus x square into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Right? Now we will see whichever terms get cancelled here. Here if we see this and this algebraic expression is same, so I am cancelling this. This can be written as, this is 1 minus x the whole square and this is 1 minus x, which is 1 time. So if I have to cancel, I will write this as 1 minus x into 1 minus x 2 times. You have 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So here this and this will get cancelled. So finally my answer is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x.